आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we have 15 coupons are numbered 1 to 3 up to 15 respectively. 7 coupons are selected at random, one at a time with replacement. The probability that the largest number appear on the selected coupon is 9 is what? Right, so we have how many coupons? 15 coupons. So total number of coupons are 15. Now we have selected 7 coupons, so total number of cases will be 15 to the power 7. This is my equation 1. Now we need to find the probability that largest number is 9. Largest number on one coupon out of 7 is 9, right? Is 9. So this is my required question, right? Now for this we have to think logically, that is, if we want to find out 9 to be highest, then this is really sure that we have to select any 7 coupons out of first 9 coupons, right? So we have to select any 7 coupons out of these first 9 coupons. So here we have my favorable cases are 9 to the power 7. Now this is total cases out of this, and this include that case also includes that case also when 9 is not appearing. 9 is not appearing out of the 7 coupons. So if 9 is not appearing, then the second highest number is what? 8. So as per the question, my favorable cases will be 9 to the power 7. This is total case, and we have to subtract that case where 8 is the highest. So this will become 8 to the power 7. So my required probability is 9 to the power 7 minus 8 to the power 7 divided by 15 to the power 7, and this is my final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।